Rhonda. I work for the York County Public Library System, and this is Cooking in the Kitchen with Miss Rhonda. Today, a special treat. This was inspired by one of my favorite books, really one of my favorite characters, Pete the Cat. This book is called Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party, and that's the clue to what we're cooking today. Pizza! This book was written by Kimberly and James Dean, and you can check it out at the library. Just go, put it on hold, and you can get it at the curbside pickup. Pete the Cat and the Pizza Party, and we're gonna have our own pizza party. But, like I tell you every time, let's put Pete back here. What do we do first? We wash our hands. So, a little bit of soap, a little bit of water. Wash your hands, wash them nice and clean. Wash them here, wash them there, wash them in between. Wash your hands, wash them nice and clean. Wash them here, wash them there, wash them in between. Good job, everybody. You gotta start with nice, clean hands because you don't want to get any of those yucky, icky little germs all over your food. All right, I've got them dried, I've got them clean, and I've got this new handy dandy little contraption that I'm gonna try to use today to show you how we make the pizza. Let's move the camera down. Now we're in this together, kids. Let's see how it works. Here's what we got. We got a little bit of tomato sauce. We got some yummy mozzarella cheese. And then this is going to be our pizza pie. This is our biscuit dough. Now, probably the funnest thing you're gonna do in this whole episode is get this can of biscuits open. You just gotta take off that wrap and bang him on the corner. I hope it didn't scare you. But I like to do that. All right. Take your biscuits out. And we're gonna make one right now. Now, I like to put a little bit of flour on the surface that I'm working on. It just keeps our biscuit dough from sticking. And then you're gonna put it on there, pat a little flour on top, pat a little flour on bottom. Now, you can do it with your hands because remember, they're nice and clean. So you can just do him this way if you'd like. Pull him. Or if you have a rolling pin available, you can go ahead and you can use your rolling pin. If you do use your rolling pin though, you better put a little bit of flour on it because it just might stick. There you go. Uh-oh. We just might have a visitor in a minute. Somebody just jumped up on the kitchen counter. Maybe she'll behave herself. Will you behave yourself, Mama Kitty? All right, there you go. Look. Doesn't that look like a beautiful little pizza pie? There we have it. It's just that simple. Now, if you want to be really fancy, you can do like the pizza guys do. You can toss it in the air. Toss him around. It makes him kind of nice and round. Pizza pie. All right. Now you got your handy dandy tomato sauce. I just got this little tiny 4-inch can, and it already has some of the Italian spices in it. If you don't have the tomato sauce, if you've got leftover spaghetti sauce, you can use that. Or, gracious me, use ketchup. If you got ketchup, just use a little bit of ketchup. Then you want to just spoon on your sauce. Spoon it on. I like sauce on my pizza. If you don't like much sauce, don't put that much on. And then the yummy, ooey, gooey cheese. If I can get the package open. Gracious, Miss Rhonda, use your muscles. And then you just take your cheese, put him on there. Ta-da! Look at that! It's a pizza pie! Now, you'll need a baking tray. I've got one right here. Just gently pick up your pizza pie and put him on your baking tray. Now, you should have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. It's hot outside right now, and Miss Rhonda isn't a fan of turning on her big oven. She has a little toaster oven, and these pizzas make up great in your toaster oven. So just have your big person preheat that toaster oven to 350 degrees, and you're gonna bake him anywhere from 8 to 10, maybe even 11 minutes. It depends on how much space you've got. If you've flattened your pizza pie out really nice and flat, it won't take as long to bake. If it's a little bit larger, it might take, so just keep an eye on it. All right, I'm putting it in the toaster oven. Let's see what we come up with. Over to the toaster, and by the magic of YouTube video, pizza! Oh, aren't those pretty? Pretty pizza pies. Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Oh, wait, I can wait to eat it because guess what? We're gonna make them look a little bit nicer and more appealing. I just so happen to have a plethora, big word, plethora. It's in the dictionary. It means an abundance of things. And I just happen to have some sliced peppers, broccoli, everybody's favorite, pepperoni, squash, some red onions, some olives, some salami, and some tomato slices. So we're gonna use these to maybe make our pizza look like something. All right, let's work with this camera again and move it down to where you can see what I'm up to. And let's use this one. Let's do this one first. All right, I think I'm gonna give my pizza, let's give him 2 tomato eyes. There we go. Let's give him an olive nose. You see that? Let's give him, ooh, I think I want to give him a red onion mouth. Ta-da! He's a happy pizza. And let's maybe give him a couple of pepperoni ears. You can just play with it, do with it whatever you want. I think I'm gonna put a couple more, I like olives, put a couple more olives on there. Oh, wow. How neat. That looks good enough to eat. And just because I wanted to make sure you could see other options, Miss Rhonda made a few earlier. So look, we've got a puppy dog pizza. He's got his little tongue hanging out. We have, in honor of Mama Kitty, we got a Mama Kitty pizza. And then we just have a great big happy pizza. And there you go. We have made pizza. It was just that easy. It didn't take that much effort. And I hope that you get a chance to do this. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget, the library is still there for you. You still can register for the Summer Learning Challenge. You can still put books on hold. We can take them out to curbside pickup. We miss you. We want you to take good care of yourselves. Love you, sweet peas. See you next time with Cooking in the Kitchen. Bye-bye.